gwiteka mwito uyu tondu ni hari na bata twarie ohoro wa wira na mahira maria turutaga ina miothio waku tohoe. Father, in the name of Jesus, I thank you because of this morning. Men and women, your sons and daughters are seated before you in this auditorium and in this church hall. We thank you for the blessings that you have given us since the beginning of this year up to this day, and we are in the beginning of the day, the Sunday. You have given us this day tukuigue tukuone na tukumenye muno no tufundithire tungikara na ndure wanoga ni gutucokeria mahoya. Daudi ni akohoire hindi imwe agikwira baba ndeithia kumenya matuko makwa no kimuteithia kumamenya na gitaukwo niwe uri ungienda akorwo ari na kiro kwenda gwika nake. Wamurathimite murui wa bara na aturire murata waku. Tukuhoya turathime this morning no tutuikiria twendaga gutuika na ningi kiria nawe wenda gutuika na tondu hingagia meririria magoro cia andu hingia maitu rucini ruru no tume tukuone na tukuigue na thutha uyu tugocithia ritwa riaku ritwa-ini ria Ngai Ithe na Murio ona Roho Mutheru. Amen. This is a very special class for us to start. Na nigwitikia kuma rira wokire kuma kwanyu gicagia korodore Bontau na gioka Nairobi. You know very well tutiokete Nairobi na ndio kana since hihi he mundu wi guku uciarirwo Nairobi. Show me your hand if you are Bontau. Jesus. Ayo theni akura matura-ini mao na tungiguanira gwe ne wega muno mabontao ne meguka service wengi no inyu ni gomu address wabere kumumenyithia kiria giatumire mume kwanyu. Number 1, gutire kindu kwanyu gutari tondu kuria andu me kwanyu gicagi magacirite mekuo mena ng'ombe na mburi na makite nyumba ciao na magakira aciari na angi magakira nginya ciana. No way destiny yaku ndiari attached na kwanyu. Did you get me? Korwo ni wari kwari na destiny yaku ndungiaumire kuo. Ninde na my age mates na angi mari school mates na classmates. And for real, makoragwo gicagi kaimbaga kuria ndarereirwo na ndagimareire. And I find some of them are doing even better than I do. No kroni ndaikarire kaimbaga ona irato ndigiri. For real, ni gutiari kindu giakwa no ni kwari kindu kia andu angi. Kwenda tombe tuiguithanirie ha tondu giki kihunjio we are in a class. Tuiguanire kiria gia kurutire kwanyu nikio wokire gwetha tondu gitionekire kwanyu. Wamwanyu ni aguciarire na gikuongithia na gikurera no he maundu atari namo maku nikio wathire kwi mwarimu na wira uria warutirwo ni mwarimu muciari ndari naguo tungihotire kuikara nake ihinda riaku riothe. And if we come to the element of classifications or classifying miaka ya mundu aikaraga guku thi, onini wa mundu tungiuga Ngai no kuhe miaka 60 atikuga niyo ndirauga ni guikara mingi iyo ni notation. Miaka 60 ungika mathabu makuruta miaka ya gukorwo wena mwarimu niyo meige thiini wa miaka 60. Okay, note kuma riria waciarirwo kuma kuingira nathari kana iria thiko icireto baby what ndiranyita maundu mau ni kubatara kubundithio hanini menye irathi icio ithiaga atia. Ugitara miaka yo ya irathi cio nini ucoke thi primary inana secondary ina university ina kothi miaka ta 20 kana 25 iko ya mwalimu nego ndonyitage hau that you have given people more of your time than you have given yourself. Let me get to this. You had brothers and you had sisters. Not imagine no matigire to ndungehikire your sister. Ona kwende atia she could not be your girlfriend or wife. You had to leave them. Ona wendete baba wanyu atia ndangekuhikirie. You had to go. Ona wendete mamu wanyu atia ndangekutukira mutumia. You had to go. Even if you are not married and you are in this class, understand, your father could not have given you a baby. You had to look somewhere else. Your mother could not do so. You left them. Your mother could not be the mother of your children. Attention, the mother, to mother even of your kids. A grad mother. I understand, and I'm making it simple for you to understand. These things kana differences kana mwamuranio uria wamuranagia mundu na andu onendete muno ni kindu gitagwo your future, your foundations. If you get back to the years iria uhete mamu wanyu ukirerwo ukinaswo ucenjio guo kuhubwo kuhona pe aria mahotire gukorwo ku hindi yo nacio tondu ithu twari ku hindi ana pe no tutiari ona ndigo ndenda huthira nyamu ya ever in my time tondu kimurigiti kiarengagwo gicunguruma keigana ona kimurigiti mukuru na nikio tuohagwo. So when you see some of us trying to be smart nikugeria gukanja miaka ya mirigiti mitinie. It was not a curse. You left that class. Kuma mwalimu wanyu ine ukeigerio Sunday school ugekoromani moko ine mwalimu wa Sunday. Kuma Sunday school ukithikirathi ugithiaga thukuru cierere Sunday school na githomo gia gicukuru githomo irathi cia githomo gikingi. All the lives hatire dagia yaku. Kuma uthi na thukuru uguo twathi na mbere uri andu-ini. Haria warikiria thukuru kana haria warikiirie ka. Hagiikira kindu gitagwo komachua kana kukoma kana adulthood. Through biological changes that happens to men and women bodies. Some things changed. You took a shape of a man, you took a shape of a mother and a woman. Totally different. And you have them now. Maisha mau wanaira adulthood igiguthenia kuma hau ukeigerera wendo kwendwo na bia aria married ukigea mutumia ne need na ivataro riu. If you are married no agire kumenya mutumia waku is a need egiaigireirwo hariwe mavataro ine maregwo corona mo akoina muthuri, that's a need. Riu kuma hau ne gwitania na kuhanga na gutiri kindu kirito maisha make hiko kana mama family haria hena mwana haingira ciana kumania na hau maisha maku ugatigithio mihango ni gukua tondu ndocio mokire magwite mami kana baba megukuvora watakukula hivi wakunyonya hivi mpaka mwisho. And even now as we are talking, darora thuri aria mehaha othe ni andu mena micii aria ithuri mehaha na kiara mehaha ready to be aire tutakuwa tumia taguo. That means life, if you don't understand the dynamics, life no yage time yaku kuma haria twambirie kinya riu tutire turakuona we kana ha hodo woneka we itwaria we thukuru maisha magithomo makorerwo we maisha makwendwo guciarwo na gwetha mbeca. Nego muhoera as I talk to you business people and professionals, ati maisha maku maguko thi utanauma Ngai agakuhe miaka 10 yaku that you can eat and drink comfortably. Nego you can fly or drive comfortably. You can be going for vacations. Okoya wiki mwagathi hoteli kana ogathi iria-ini ukahuthira time ya you. So when I come to myself and about myself, life yakwa ndigũcira ndakorwo nayo tondu kuma unini na guthoma nake. I have been in evangelism, I have been in jobs, maana mimi mfanyi kazi nini ndutaga wira na nijui ni mimi hufanya kazi. But let me tell you, hari ingĩhurũkĩra na inyuĩ mwe haha ta kanitha waiting for me, na ndĩraitare gũkũ, she is waiting for me na ciana. So I'm praying na mũndeithie kũhoya Ngai arihe miaka yakwa 10 ya kũingĩra ndege ngathi Rio de Janeiro, na ndĩrũ ndĩrathi gwĩka, ngahũthĩra milioni 1 ciathira ngahũra thimũ mũciĩ njikĩriai kang'otoreo kangi kau nĩ gathira, ngoya ndege kuma hau ngathi Mississippi, ngaenjoy kuona njũĩ na mahiga, ngahũthĩra 500 ma milioni nuthu ya milioni, ngahũra thimũ rĩngĩ nĩ ciarengeka iki akanya kang'otoreo kangi, ngacoka kang'otore kau ngokoganda ukanina mĩeri 2 ũthiũrũrũkaga tu. Iyo niyo ĩtagwo your lifetime. Ngai ndakana tũime, tũtingĩhota gũtũra na maruo gũcoka gũtuĩka icera rĩrĩa inene tũngĩkorwo narĩo nĩ thibitarĩ. The business from home to hospital, from hospital to chemist, from chemist to home to hospital. Ngai arotũhonokia thabarĩ-inĩ icio in Jesus mighty name. I wanted to show you na njĩra nguhĩ atĩ life until opushwe mwene, life may not have your time, but today we'll start establishing. I know when you will take that note for me. Another day I'll come to talk about your life and life of people. But today, on top of that foundation, nikwenda ramade kakano tuandike kiugo notini yaku my life. Na do IT Joseph Aremehare igoro, kindly you can even put it on the screen. Kiugo wadeke my life, my family, my business. Only those 3 lines. I will work on that. I thank God because you came. I promised you I'll start it on 9, and I think by 9 I was here. And I'm happy for the priest team and Pastor Charles for holding for me. I can continue. When you come to the word my life, life yaku iyo yatuika yaku. Tokwaleti ule wana life yaku adwa ingi othe. Na toberiene life yaku iyo heanite. I want you to understand. Life yaku kiregia toma ikoro ineto ado okoro moko-ini ma andu. Ne preparation ira Ngai ageragia mundu nigetha agutue we onawe ni ukane wadu. Towe warerire Ngai akoheta life nigetha nawe ukarera. Towe wathomithirio Ngai akoheta life nigetha ugathomithia. So your life comes. Then comes my family. When you come to the family in this class, I would love you to understand family ne gaya nie muno ne tukaka family ya hakuhi ne kuri extended ne kuri pra ono shomuri gaini nao. Understand is a family member in spiritual family. Katika familia za kiroho ama ya kiroho, you are in the family. And so mtu mekana naye hapo is a family. That's why in church, tuitanaga brother and sister. Madugu na madada, because you're family. Your life, your family. If your life and your family is there, then you must be working. By working, the general and the weighty name to talk about working is business. You must be in business. And I want to put it to you. Need the workers only. Because we must work, and you know I always agitate and push for people to work. But listen, there's difference between working and business. If you're working, you'll be so tired. You'll be so exhausted. You'll be tired. You'll be so exhausted. You'll be damn exhausted. But when you are in business, something is happening that even when you are not working, the business can work itself out. I told Mama one day, that's what we call working. That's what we call job. And there's something called business. Ogekorwa wera ore rutaka kana fechere horaga ogetera kana okoro no kira muthenya ucio ni kunoga kana ndwari ate wera ucio no waruga matondo dumaho. Where you are not in business, you are working, because workers must be at work for the work to go. But people in business can even rest at home, because business is doing business to the business. Are we together? Akoro fiashara yaku ne ya mugongo okemeiga thete githina mbere hoya Ngai aguteithie tondu we uri o wira. Ani uru muno gutigaira wari mukana wa borithi oige fiashara oige business kana we engage nodo murito gukira gukorwo githomithia. It is more costing, more involving. This is what we say, and I think as we move, I say, sometimes people say, hard working. Hard working is good. But that working, I want to put it to a business. Like you're just taking a business. Because hard working, you work hard, but for a short time, you be a smart worker. Smart workers, work continues even when they are not there. Hard workers, they must be there. You can monitor. For example, radio. I think one of the radios had darutire me akena na hari darutire me aka 17 oganereria na hedo ni darutaga wera kuo ma radio ni macio ni utuko ngaigira thainya gauma dadita. That means me akeo gitara na mathaa maigana ne kuona na maigana ogigicoka we urie kira kingi komakinete utuko ucio kana motuko mauda koragwo wera ucio ndiaumire nyonete mwene radio kou onari. There was Madam wari mudosu wakwa Mrs. Macharia. She was like a mother to me and to the rest of the team. No ndiamuonire kou utuko no tuonana nake ne ajiraga uria kibindi kirari na kado arithiria show na kadirikania muraugire ona akajira he kaundu mararirie na chairman gakira go garora gauga Ngai ugo ginya mwene arathikagiriria we MC akaigora radio hihi egiteini taburuketie magoro horeire tondu we aikarita hu nigetha aikarie wira wake I create the business, not a job. I don't know how they're getting me. I create the otuko. Araruta wera, ne wera are. Akirora wera, uria wetagwo business. Nadienda kuhudhira kiugo kile kitagwo biashara sana, lakini nitakitumia baadaye. But I ask myself, there is a difference between listening and talking. Now, inyuothe nini muthikiririe? Hakuna kitu inawachosha, mnasikiliza tu. Muda wewera nini? This is the difference. I came to understand dewera na mwene wera oyo kana mutaboini oyo onake ewera. But look at the difference between wera. Nie I am hard working na ke ne smart. Listen to me. Hard working makes you tired. Makes you dirty. Adore marutaka wera wa guthondeka ngari. Makomete makioha mashuma ndakaga oiro na ngirithi. Nikio haingirire kindu gitagwo apron. But smart workers matinogaga muno no wera mari. Professions ni diganu. Daktari marutaka na ntokuo to white. Surgeons makosia green kana sia buru kuligana thibitari ria mari. But you can look at them on a medieta magithija mundu, they are very smart. Na gokuja. But one of the smartness I'm talking about is an internal or inner smartness. If you buy a matatu, where do we drive to ikaga? Ina drive na ikaga. Na wewe mushie kana office. No ni ugo hurara odi kore matatu cia kwikora gorora irathi atia. Todo sina hard working people, no wewe smart worker, you are conform. Hello. Mwagi. Mweko. Tueva gaine. Tafari akaigana. Hagatatu. Mwina atu. Ini jihoru. Muthieteko. West. Iyo ni smart working. If you have a hotel, do the akuruga kana kwedia madathi kana go serve. Kwina workers, no na wiorio worker, but smart worker. Yada ko muigeria biashara ine yo. Kumari utukuthi na mbere mwaka uyu no ciongi. We are moving from hard workers to smart workers. You know, if you have a house girl, nowadays you call them housemaids or house managers, we don't want any aruge gima, asafu, organization na isiko, adhabie si anaharirie kena, asoki akome no kiretene. Wirosi wothe akiruta mutumia mwene kou, ne TV arona, agecenjagia ifidi, agacoka agathiruka kurora nyumba yake, ewe ironake, kurora kana indo ni njega, kana ciana ni ciarirwo wega, kana ni kwarugwo wega, no ara work smart. Smart workers makomaga mbere ya hard workers. Tondu mama rekia kuria, na ona ciana ni njega, no guthonga gwene kire night dress. Na kimuiru tu kurutaga wira oyo, areharirie preparation cia kiroko. Na makorogo mokirite mbere ya nemici. I pray all those who are hearing me and watching me and they are hard workers, gai aro mataidia kuingira to smart working. Because smart workers started by being hard. Did you hear me? As your smart workers, mabiridi hard way. No ritomunana muno. To be called a boss, to be called madam, to be called mzai. Ne mudu nyamarete mbere yo muno. Ndirikanaga kundu ndandikitwira kurithia tene. Atogokirithia gutheri ndarithagia na kurima. Igeria mburi kindu thaa kenda. Guthi kuhuria mitaro. Ya waru kina gofu ni mura. Teri cikiragwo moldings. Ukira utuko ngakama kwanza ndakamaga ng'ombe 12 then ngatwara iria na hindo ndi kindu thaa 11 na ndari kanini fiu kanini pio ndari muceki pio gukira mweni sa mweni na umire hau thie tukuhuthira umuhinyirire kumwire haha hatire matikinyete kwina kibindi giki ni kia andu atungu ureko ule timuhinyiriku ule ni askari. Now ndanyitaga mutongi wa kilo 40 we muithikiri iguru ndanyita muithikiri hando ndindike ukeyoya na iguru ukarugama. That was hard working. Na nigucoka hurane na mutungi ura gukiria na ndingita muithikiri ucio ndungitwara we iguru ni utindike nginya haria turakinya hando hetagwa kamurembo twatwaraga iria. Now from all those hard working Ngai akindeithia miaka yo mingi gukorwo mijengo-ini na atia na matatu-ini na whatever na whatever na whatever, and now I find myself a bit working smart, but lakini sijafika. Na ninaomba mama Mungu amsaidie na biashara yake, anisaidie kukua smarter in my work. And now what I'm saying, after those times of hard working, kana hendo mundu time ini ya gwiciria ya kuruta wira muritu meciria ni mathiurukaga muno gwikatia gekatia. And the reason why someone is able to move from hard working to smart working is one thing. Number one, wishes. You must be wishing. You must be willing. You wish. Tiara kwenda kwa wishes wa America wishes wa horses. Beggars. Now we'll put our wishes to horses. Etiguo. Nekata kinyaria theni na returutite wira wa ruo na reme mawira ni marathinekanio wira wa mwene toro na wewe kihorithania wira wa matatu yo horithanagia nayo mwene wa visikana gofu na wewe kwihorithania andu acio othe githomo-ini giki na kira kingi gothe tugukorwo nakio Ngai arotuma miakeo ya hard working ikinye muico mambiririe smart working. Ona inyo muthie to smart working. If you are doing a difficult job, may God walk with you to smart working. Number 2, kila kingi tumothia hau brain mind na no wandike kiugo kiu brain stroke mind. I don't need psychologists in this class. I don't need surgeons. I want you to use the brain. When you have a brain, you have a mind. Gweshiria, meshiria, matarania, matanya. You get to tikia how? Meshiria, matarania, matanya. Noginya okeraga na matanya. You have wishes. Now, wishes, if horses were wishes, beggars could ride. I want to tell you, we can make them be wishes, or we can make our wishes to be horses, and today we can start riding. There's a scripture, when you can put it down for me, atanikuwa na kilo morumo na gokothe, athamaki magithie maguru, na watheni na dwahinyiriku mebarathi iguru. That's a very powerful thing. Sunday. How does it happen? When kings can be walking, when the poor are riding on horses. Because when I look at ourselves, we are the kings, or we are daughters and sons of the King, the Most High God, His Majesty, His Holiness, God, but the sons and princes and daughters and sons are just walking. Utikihota keka goro na ni bishop wanyu amuhituka gefara maguru wewe na gari hau hekona ni he king urathi maguru when someone who is not a king or raya ako kwa farasi. President William Ruto Leria atare Ruto president edagia goko na mundu wa stage ya Rodoreti hard working akwenderia ndo ngari-ini tuthwiti na tuindo eno etagwo hawking. Ngai yake mutwara kule gwothe mugeretie kuma MP to minister to where to vice president to president. Do you expect him akora gitembea goko? You have to talk to me. Na muhetokane ate ugete ate tohetokanire na president kamae athiete maguru. Because time of kingdom comes with dominion. And as I'm teaching you, that we kill in one messiah ma dominion. When the dominion comes, In whatever you do, it positions you where you belong. And today, amwa nyinyo banyamo ikaraga. Shiro murega imumene. Nyoba isyo nini hinyerereku etukunete bedding no you're sitting. To enjoy maisha machonende matorete makogania rumu mwe na shuka. Atero thi ngoro akura go thi bedroom ne shuka. Wa heta ogua keneti uyurire. Ongeje kro ne andu ara marotaga magithiaga no guthe thaburia kana uikie guo kokoro ngimaini kana thufu-ini. To niguo nyombe hana. Igaitwo guo. Nothing you waku, you know you are a king. You know where to stay. But something is holding you. I'm saying, a king, to live like a king, may God stop it. In Jesus' name. Wajia kuikarira giti. Ona goko tole kanitha. Ona turageria guthi twehereti ite. Tonje kuikarisho muikare ne cia kings here. Na ntogathi ni gikirathi kingi. Ithuothe tukorona ta giki. Katakiri omundu giake. Ndirarorire thabarĩ no nĩ ũndũ ndanakĩona ngona ndege-inĩ he matharaũ makoragwo ndege-inĩ mũno mũrango mwaingĩra thĩinĩ wa mũrango mũkĩbũndi wonio nĩ atumia me hau monagia mũndũ nĩ raini ĩno na ĩno especially ndege icio nene ciĩtagwo Airbus ndege ĩrakuua makĩria ma andũ 600 kĩrĩa kĩna ndura nĩ kũhĩtũka athuri maingĩraga ndege mbere itũ mambaga gwĩtwo first class magathiĩ magaikarĩra itĩ ciho kiria mundu aikarĩire nĩ ta kiria kia Bishop maita merĩ na nĩ gĩkũnjĩte kaũndũ hagakunjwo kametha ena nginya metha igereire haha na ena tukinya tu drawer no ige thimũ ciake na laptops hau hena charger ciake na screen yake ya kwĩrorera na gĩtĩ gĩkĩ nĩ recliner nĩ kĩratabũrũkia magũrũ makamothe kaigana thutha nena mũrĩngĩti mwega gũkĩra ũrĩa tũkũheo na hĩndĩ ĩyo mũndũ ũyũ na ũrĩa marigainie nĩ mita ta igĩrĩ we wĩ haha ũcio ũngĩ ũrĩ hau yani you are just like at home na makaga mahotaga atĩa kuma ndege ya randi tondũ ndũngĩhota kuma handũ hau to we kũndũ ũngĩcira ũrauma haha ũinũke ũrigwo gũthiĩ gũikara atĩa mũciĩ ona no ume hau wethe wheelchair to wheelchair nĩ ũgwĩtambũrũkia wegega. And when I look at that God ya mwathani Ngai nina niuma kuhunjia ri ndai tukathuria cio mundu ikaire na atumia hau mundu ikaire gite giake wiki ena notebook ena ni murehere kinya mabuku maingi arathie githomaga ena remote ya gukontrol kiria arenda na ithu tugacoka na haria tukehura andu thiri tukegotha atatu laini ya mwisho atatu ha hena ayo then acio ni ana then another ayo then kiki ayo is like this walking way ha na hau ugo kugayanite this anayo I'm telling you okay gutha mwethiri murohetie tu murigani na mundu mutungu tondu micibi ya ndagere ndohagwo guku ta ya ngari yohagwo haha thi na haha thi ri kuri marega kuiganira igakorwo no nginyo extendwo riu mungirigana mundu mutungu ni eheragia kanyamu gaka kahandi haha guko kuigagirwo akeheria tondu ge kumuhinya now wewe mwena ore no watu shock absorber mundu aragia mwathani na no tugukinya. I desire things iria ndirenda kumutonyia thiini wanyu mwanjie ku desire rira ndirago kuhungira Ngai one day one time I'll not be sitting here ndikiraga na haria andu arĩa maikaraga nĩ ngwenda andu akanitha ũyũ mweherie ngoma ĩrĩa ĩingĩraga andu ngoma ĩingĩraga andu ya ruthuro rwa kumena arĩa successful rwa kumena arĩa maikaire wega kĩu ũthũire gĩkwene gĩtigoka gwaku ingĩ muingiria ngoro ya kwendaga andu acio na kwerireria uguo maikaire ukaraga nyumba ingĩ ukamĩorota ĩno ukauga Ngai no nyende nyumba ta ĩno no tukauga ona arĩa hoi ngoma makie nyumba ona devil worshippers nyumba iria maraka ndiũ nĩkĩ gĩatũmire andũ arĩa thĩni maingĩrwo nĩ hakiri ya ngoma mũtwe ati everything good nĩ kĩa ngoma everything good kĩa ngoma kinya karatu tagaka kĩu nĩ kĩa ngoma no wonire kĩratu kĩu ũrĩa gĩgũthiĩte kĩratu kĩu ugo gĩgĩcikĩrĩkĩtie mũico nĩ devil worshiping you know this is na thĩna ũyũ ũkoragwo athĩni-inĩ athĩni na athĩni reke ngwĩre ti athĩni a mbia athĩni gũthĩna kwa mbia everybody nĩ mũthĩni mwene wa mbia everybody nĩ mũthĩni tondũ nginya Uhuru Kenyatta aratuire president mĩaka 10 na mbeca cia Kenya cina mbica ithe ndono hotha nĩ wanyitwo ndakwĩra mbeca cia Kenya ina mbica ya Jomo Kenyatta na Uhuru Kenyatta agetha wĩra nginya agakinya gutuka president Ogwo thina wa bio koragwo na andu othe. Thina uria munene ni uria koragwo mutwe. Ogegerera kumenya wi mutongu niriro kajia gutongia mutwe. Niriro kajia gwikira bia guku, niriro kajia gwikira meciria guku, maku majie kuona nyumba, majie kuona githomo kinene gia ciana ciaku, wajie kuona life yaku irenge na ndukamenya gwi kindu o giothe guku thi, ndukamenya gwi kindu giothe guku thi utari wakiona. Oyo maria wonete, maria tonete ndui. I don't know whether you know that. Galila wanona, mafururi mara wanona, itoka iria wanona, nyumba iria wanona, isho nisho uwi. Like, sometimes I love the way adwala makorogo online na madekaga those keyboard heroes, keyboard warriors, madekaga anything. They talk about ginya kindu mundu ataramenya. Na regena credit ira rahuthira ni ya gukomba, ni mkopo. Kava kobe ciringi 50 ugure airtime wadike orimo na wonani okegu aku. You know, digwicire no korwo wi mukegu oikaire haha na ureciria uhoro wa tha eno oire hakiri ciaku cingira thaini ino na waje gucirie rutitwo ku ni yake anga ni ya shaitani anga ni yo ya gwikatia ni yo ahuthagira aiguo ni andu wakinya meciria makuri muini ucio ukahana mwana uri otari wamenya utigani wa nguo na kioro tondu mwana eteithagia nguo-ini icio mwana no ngimugurira nguo ya 200 tondu ndoe difference atakojoa hapo tu kwa hiyo nguo. You know, I have a car. I bought that car on 2016. That's why when I bought that car, not to gari yakwa number plate 666. It's an issue. Kore adwara matari ogibio. Todo 6 is a numerical number. Iria sikoroko kuga 1 2 3 4 5 6. Na idetwa karira 6. Bible ine akunere page magana matandatu mambero kotatu. It is in the Bible. Page yo dire yarowo. So Kwena mundu ene meka 66 na no 66 kilime nini todo 6 ne igerisho thina ukakasha kinya ithatu kuringana okegua andu. Now when you are seated about Archbishop JJ aratolithia gari 666 niki na we mama ndari akira nginya midira ona juiri ni agweterera andu angi maburwo ahoe juiri. Imagine you are talking about something that you have never achieved. Kitu kinyo toi gigakinya gwakuri mundu akiga goguo na nikyo Biblia yugaga atiriri muthikiriria thino ibuku ria Isaya Yesu ugire ati atometwo akohanie ngoro iria thuthiku atometwo akahake magutare me oheire mba aria mehakite muhu hau handu kianda kiuga kira gitometwo kete na igwithia andu ohoro wa wega wa mwaka wa wega wa mwathani. Okay, hahare hage Johana agitoma Jesu emunyite agitoma ruto kemathi makarore Jesu we emunyite kiuga ithimo murie kana niwe Mesia kana tweterere ongi makinya kwi Mesia merire thi mwire Johana atiriri itimu ne irona cio jene irathie ona no tuongerere ona hihi uge aku ni marariuka agitariria ora acio merekwo aku ne kuriukio itimu ne irahingura maitho ate mataragia ni mararia haria mwisho akagweta athini keri horo wa thini tena wa thini ni marahunjirio uhoro uria mwega uguo athini ti arwaru athini ti arwaru athini matiri hurutiaini athini marani dikiugo tondu thina wiko ni information ni marani di tondu thina weha ta imagine cio jene irathie itumune irona aria mataragia ni mararia aku ni mariukite no athini ni mahunjirio ni maraheo uhoro muona thini handu mahega ihoro ucio oikona mundu rathini ni gwira wikirite mundu ucio ni muthini muno ongikona mundu hurutia-ine ni mutongu muno tono maguru maregete guthie no kiongo tona andu makorwo hurutia-ine na ni maradiodi manyumba nene ageni ari mwana na muno ageni ma professor ni jo ginya mundu jo surgeon muthinji ndagitari wa guthinja no kana hurutia ginya gitanda kia muruga gaikurukio nigetha akinyire tondu angirugama Sio matheni. No ne kuri mundu cire ithori nene muno. Kimundu kiigana no mutwe hatire kindu ni thungura ya mundu nene. Sungunono tu. Kwita ile tungikora gaceke pio takare kare nguonagio haria ni mweni. Tondu aigana goguo mbere no riu tondu Ngai nyamuthondekete riu nake ni arona ni angi. No ne kari tukauma hau gaceke tu kanini. Gaceke o uguo tu. No wira uria kairi tuko kararuta no kuri mundu igana uguo no ni employer ni gitonga kia andu aingi muno ucoke kuri mutumia ungi hips ni cia mita 3 hips kuma guthi hau na gutiri ndugi ukikana hips guku thi tiga kuina tu hatiri ndugi ciekaga ni hips nyonaga cikeina kwanja na ni njega muno ikeina andu mburu hips ni njega ikeina andu mburu ui cikikira rwimbo rwa Koffi Olomide cicokete uguo hips ndio itiro dogi ona ta inde hitakuna hatiri utugi na aria magithie kugia na matuko maingi ta senator matuko makinya ma 60 mainaga nyimbo ici cia taarabu menadera hitakuna utana nyimbo ici cina cost muno natumia menadera hatiri utugi thina tikuheja thina tigutunguha thina ni guku tando karora ndereba iri twarithagia maturera yumita ega kinyo ku soko na ndereba uria wauma no wicira arabatara mundu wina nda nene tondu araroria igana maumaga tu mundu kinyo karigwo no ariaga kamundu kare gacamuka rori-inĩ ĩyo ũkarigwo Ngai no atwarithia ngari igana ũũ ndiĩ kana wonire mũirĩtu ũrĩa wagĩrire mwĩrĩ wa Prime Minister Raila Odinga ũrĩa wagĩrire mwĩrĩ wa Keitia na ndege ya Kenya Airways mtoto mdogo tu I think she's about 35 there mũirĩtu mũnini tu akona mũrora interview yake akĩũrio how did she fly kwanja aumĩte thabarĩ agakinya airport gũkiuma order mheshimiwa agĩrwo kiingira ndege kiingira aheshimwa nginya India ukinya India ni mathaa mana meterere apakwo muiritu ure ndari arakoma acoke oendage ombure ringi gucoka guku orio augire ngoro yake yari thiniku muno kuigwa uguo niguo kuhanikire na kuigwa ti no aragira na kaugwa ku imagine ati Prime Minister egari endage-inĩ yo gwakago niko tumire igwe ena roho wakonda gukinyia mundu ucio na gitio na wega muingi na kiuganiro rita rĩake rĩa mbere gutwarithia with a lot of care when flying ugerora rari oguo umone kimanda kedo gitikia ngoda ukwira atirire ti size na height na age ni mutwe. Did you hear me? Now let's go back to the Bible. Genesis chapter 1, the Bible says Gaya kiabereria yo nani wanda muthome wanu yothe Gaya kioba thina iguru. I cannot remember the theological order. Yani kiabirie bere no ndona mwalimu haria mwalimu Elder Karomo. I always tell you he's the teacher of the Bible. Ni msomi na msomeshi. You can go and lead. Ne kiabereria kuoba no muigwa kiobathe. Todo I was laying foundation ko ekomutora hadede na tuthie nigetha gukinyirire ati ni ukagma hard working to smart working kana ni ukawaka utuike we waka na nigetha ukatuka you are in business Gai we mwene God himself from Genesis chapter 1 God is a businessman. Utika ya matita makiuga andu mewira Gai akoragwo wira ona ni dewira atukuke Bwana aliyeniajiri kazi. Gaya kabereria business. His business was draw bathi. Kagori you must think. Thina we guko ikitura hujo horo mwega. Nigetha mutu aume ku. Tuikire kwa wishes na planning na vision na kiroke ndagutwika. If I ask you now, whether ndagutwika ki? Igikorio gwake kujokeria. Igehorera Bishop Mwangi Wednesday no akajia na wego gwika deliverance. Aikodo yo gatuka ki. Cio niguo murimu ria munene muno ukira gutuika gitumumu ukira kuoja. Kokoro doi. If I ask you ukenda gutuika ki? ti maundu mothe monekaga ta menyaka ni andu anini memenyaka maundu niko bangwo mabangagwo ona ciana maundu ma muigwa makiuga mutumia wa miaka igana ona akiuga ati inde wasana ithano nona kau kanini gatiari kaho kau gokire kimahitia ona gatiganite na yangi muno tondu nitwani tugite tutirenda kangi gokire kimahitia ne wega ko ni gokire kau ni ka munyaka no tiguothe gukoragwo na twa mahitia kona kama hika kuingira na mahitia kabaidire we kimunyaka wako ona guku thi kuri andu memenyaka no tiguothe na tiothe kiria kiingi ni wira na wira ucio tugayania from hard work na smart work. I hope we are moving. Ngai ni ikara onene-ine wake na kuria aikaraga no na kinyiro ni hindi ya gwiciria let me do business biashara ya Ngai yanjiriirie atia ubathe ubaiguru auma hau akiuba mai umuthe kuria andu mendagia mai tu biashara ya mai uguo water was a business Ngai yake maiga as a business akiuba tiri nikuo tuhandaga irio iria turiaga na irio icio ciothe nigetha ituike irio he business iyo ne business kuona irio na nigetha irio ituike irio he wira urutagwo nituingire mbembe-ini ungihanda mbembe ukoroke wena mugunda waku wa mbembe understand mbembe-ini ici nigetha igatuika irio ne nginya ikoma itheo kana korwo tugo mutherukie ci mitungo ona tuke mutungo-ini nigetha tuke na watheruka hara involve mwaki haka involve thaburia haka involve mai nigetha theruke nituthi mwaki-ini urore thina uri hana tathi mwaki-ini nigetha mwaki wakane urani di fuel no iko iroko kana gas kana maguta mamenyewe ogoro korwo ne gwa kugurwo nigetha uruge githeri yani kuruga githeri tu kora involve mwaki riko ngoire irakana kana fuel ore rakana nigetha githeri kihie tarora gutire kindu gitari in business roshini roro almost inyuothe roshini roro inyuothe muma in business ya kuhareria guo irio gwikira na kwihareria ko kora involve business toro guero arekira ti Ngai wa mirekirie ni kugura wagurire na thithino na minoga na ucoke wewe nigetha yagire inyitwo na fathi no ni irarihirwo thitima na fathi no ni yakugura wahura nguo yo wikire ogetho hani o uingire bafu nigetha othere hara involve mai mathirikari hara involve thabuni hara fatara kanya muga gutuma withambe at the same time mai mara no urihura na tauro tara it's about business kira gwenda ta munyitani hau nigetha atheni meriro mahe horo uria mwega nigetha ndeto ici mutwarire atheni ni aria matari mutwe wireciria ti atheni ni matari mbeca tondu no ukorwo wina bia na bia icio ikorwo iraguthenia ta riu ri he muthuri okire guku kanitha mukristiano wa dini ino no akorwo Australia mundu ucio akihotha haha ngihunjia ukakihe gift iria muheaga hunjia na ni wega aria maheaga ria ndamukirira heire mbeca cia Australia ciringi I think 100,000 bob cia Australia mbeca icio ndone cio mucii tondu itire kindu cingigura Kenya onde mutongu ikegwa Australia guo ndina igana no guku kau no karatathi ndio kindu kigura nako ona dola kondu muhothaga dola ngona mwenia kiramba haca-ini akanengera tondu narigwo nikia gukana cio icio riu nani nguikaranga njoro uria wi haria njoro ngamura njoro isiri dola racia jianake akaje imagine nigetha dola eno ekagura kindu ya involve nginya njoro omenye nigetha njoro watu muiciri gucenjia dola iyo hena ciakeho that's business na niguo kumuria thukumitwo ndio kumuria ga channel ni kuri maundu maria metagwo business mama na muni understand Ngai athondekire manyitanwo maundu ta ninyone mundu mungirugama haha ri nie nguonie tugutara tuone ukahorugame Yesu ni muriithi ng'ondu ciake tarugama hau uyu ndirenda tumwite mokorino ndirenda tumwite turenda kuruga ngima ndirenda turuga ngima eno ri yambiriria haha uyu niwe urenda kuruga ngima biashara yanjia hau gwiciria ngima no weciria tutire turakinya ngima oya ria cira kuruga ngima eciria angiruta mutuku goka murimi uria rimite mbe ha murimi wa mbembe ri hagoka kuria agurite mbembe mbegu muguri wa mbegu uyu to murimi nikogora aguraga mbegu Oja mwedia wa mbegu. Mwedia wa mbegu ri. Uria wanete bebe ikahendwo ri. Niekirite dawa nigetha uka. Nigetha dawa bebe no mbegu ndikario ni igunyu. Ino dawa ya igunyu. Tuli ogimaine. Tuko kwa ugali. Doke brother. Nie thiri andu akwaja marima mugunda kurima mugunda ugicipwo no kihorohio uyu ni muchibi. Nie thiri andu akuhanda ahandi agicoka kwage teria akihe andu mafuti akurimira. Ino no ngima. This is how life is. When I told you to come here, businessmen, I want to teach you how to go about this. Bishop Gitahi will be teaching business and entrepreneurship in his church. When other pastors are talking about Christ, why don't you, Bishop Gitahi, take your people to school rather than turn your church to a business and entrepreneur? How the more invited, I have not invited you. You are not my member. Number 3, Dramurathi Dukurusia business. Other Marekia Hikore Canida Atuete. Netogathi Koigua, Kanatotware Dukurueo. We cannot live in foolishness. God is a businessman. God is a businessman. Business is very spiritual. Business involves work. From hard working to a smart working to the resort. Umakewe. Korimira. Nesiana neha. Sekinya hado ikofatara kohorwa dawa. Uka asira dikokiria pastor. Oyo ni mode hiwa dawa. Na hena barane nai. Dawa no igunyuri. Hari arena o mathondekete. Acio tutikomagira. Raini no ne konyogogo naku. Oku. Etokinya kogetha. Uka brother. Magetha ine niguo kandu akogetha. Acio ne magetha. Na seigo cioma. Madamu uka. Na kamadamu atwara githei ukastela akora mwene githei ena githei ta imagine hau kuma gwa githei ni watweka mutu ni ainuka naguo mutu ucio warekia gukinya hau mucie ni hakinya kendo gegwitwo ethango icio mwaki wa kana etha thafuria nigetha gugoka ngima thafuria yoneka etha mai nigetha mai matheruke mai magetheruka etha moiko niguo rithonga ngimeno hey ninge ni hari ukarugio kabati karia kuvakagirio yahia niko kau ngimega thikuhia ni harendwo thani ni thani ni weno ngima ona tutura thanyeni ne ngima theri tutura kinya nyeni tajira haigana ate ngima tu nari metuere etheirwo ri ni package ro hari uri setiro nigetha kinya mucie hene process iki hari kiagwa ri hena kahio gagotinia ngimeno ecoke gekirwo thani gatwarirwo muri ndagera njira nguhi ndimwire look how business goes Ngai ni amenyire riria ciririe kumbathi. He became a businessman by investing. He invested. Kiambiriria na ino ni thi mwene ngima uyu ni thi ino ni thi akimiumba agikira miti agikira mai agikira irima agikira mikuru tucoke haha uyu uri ngiria udi ino ni Ngai womba thi theno nigetha korwo ithi itagwo thi ndegetukire higa itheri kana muthanga mutheri ena tiri akihanda miti na nyeki aguka akihanda akihira nyamo akiiga ona ndakinyete kwi mundu akiiga irema akiiga mikuru akiiga metito akicoka akiomba nyoni cikarage thi akiomba hiti akiomba njogu ngare mbwe keiho kagetiga kugweta nyamu icio toherera icio tokiuge ngoko jagathi ayayayaya kebu nugu jogu tarai biashara tawicirie Ngai investment use your brain properly before you complain about economy, before you complain about spiritual attacks. About the economy, you understand the economy, we understand the spiritual attacks on others. In Canada, on our, you must be an investor. Okay, go to Dukayati shoot. Nanega to Kaka Kuburoti. Colorado Matacome serious if you shall in Atumia Moranga. Hello, the Mamaka Nagaria. Todo Dulia Moranga. No Tolomutu Akora. Monsieur Tomodua Moranga, Kuruta Krokomudoa Kagaraibi. Atika Mutumia Kagemoke Nairobi. Anitana Mutumia o Gemohiki Matino Kaga. Noka was a jetiere. The Rada Koraga Koguemeshi Hakuhe, Gotiakora Waduri, Natigokua, Makona Nairobi. And the Keto Kenya, Koragota Brody, no more Brody. A Adeketo Brody. Brody in a breweries. Yadra Moranga Komagway. Adeketo Brody, T. Brody in a breweries. I got a quabrode, Miaka, Ikomi, Nanioma Berida Setapukeho, Aduri Moranga. Nanikora Huguito, Moranga Nikora Hu, Matijahati Wikarana to me on Nairobi because they want women to be home. Marutewe wa komenya na idomoshi no haria duri matacokaga mundu agacoka hara na mukoro avutowera agathira kirori kia jema kia go nikio andu ngimainuka nakio. Listen to me, mutumia utondu ni atigwa mucie ne twacenjirie waraho nego kwera hara twacenjirie nego kwera baba ni twacenjirie riria tumia mahotire gukwo nao na andu aria mahotete guikara na thuri yao goko ithukumiro ini ni wega na ore Ngai ateithirie tondu Nairobi ndiari ya andu Nairobi yari ya wira andu maruta wira makacoka gicagi na gicagi ni kukoinukagwo goko kwari kwa andu a wira tu gutiari homes gutiari rentals kwari thina riu atumi matikahotire guka ria ni chera thina maundu magicenjagia ri ni twahotire kugia nyumba nyingi ciakwo kundu kohota guikara na mutumia na ciana tene gutingiahotekekire to have a family tari gukorwo na ciana ithano na muthuri nyumba na mwi broti ni stress. But let me tell you something. Atumia shodona gate mutumia watigirwo ni muthuri gicagi na muthuri ndokaga atigirwo na ng'ombe na itagiria mai muthuri ule agicoka thutha miaka 10 agakora ng'ombe 20 agakora itagiria nenehire agakora ciana cia thomire agakora mutumia moge nginya wongereire mugunda agikora muthuri waku ni arutaga wira na we mutumia. Understand, ona kondo ri wira wandikitwo, you are also in business. Hey, emoyo ndomwe tiga igwatagira atumia na ninyo ndirera mutigetagira igoti na bunge muteithie bunge muteithie toriu bunge ora gwathire ri atariu tukora mutumia uyu indera twahikanirie na tukagia ciana and she is here atomothe ingenda komu divorce uyu barere ngikoro hanene na muno tondu geceria na ndikana wakirie guku iretekeria miakio tuikarite nake tururu hinda riu tiga kiria ngorire nakio kiria anite maisha-ini mau nie nake nikiringanwa hui uturo orateya gote ugateyo no urame igotine wakiri uge indo iragayo nikiineo mutumia uyu na mutumia ndarutaga wira igoti ni rigukwira undu umwe ndarutaga wira wa gwetha mbeca no nigetha thini wahuraga nguo ni wakuharagiria wakoraga riri mware ni wakurugagira ni wakuneaga ndawa ya magego ni wa thabuni wiha oguo ari wira indirect ari wira igoti nikiuga murago thano ka umothe mwarimu ngikira wicirite madamu athie reke ngwire paki hiro cingikora cireci wakiri wake arugamite na banga na murigio muragayanira haha ugeria kugae na ni mwarimu ne ni ndajire ni muthuri hindio wari kuure mutumia akoragwo ku nyumba nikiekaga guciara kurera kuongithia ciana kukuhurira nguo nawe ugathambia inyuere mwarewe wathocio no cenjio wathocio no cenjio nda maikatu atumia rekio cenjio athuri morauga atia ocenjio atumia morauga atia nekiria irhagia ndogamano now let me tell you, when God was thinking about this, he was thinking, whatever comes in your hands, use it again and again and again and again. God is an investor. Ado magi kara the digo na muthuri uyo. Na digo na muiritu ra gwetete kiho. Ni oreko. Dina menya no gwetete ogu. Okamude for sorry to the kiho. Kede mwoni ebisara igi. Gayage okakenyita mudrome. Oyo akemweta Adamu. Akemoiga hando wiki. Mutumia atari ho. Agitheneka ni maundu na akemuhe matunda mareme muguda. No Ngai akirora there is no business. Okajokeria kiugo. Akirora mugunda uyu there is no business. Kuna kitu inatendeka. Kuna kitu inafanyika. Akimenyore igeka, yes sweet. Akimenyore gweka ni ende Ngai. Mudrome uyu kuma riu ndekora mundu wa guikaria mugunda na nyamu ni kumutwa business. Niki ni ndirenda thiria tondu nini ni muno na mundu mwe ndagitura ende ni wiki na ndagihuria thi. Mundu uyu no nginya ndimutwe multiplier. Men, listen to me, amen. Akoy muthuri je kogwo mundu menje kogwo. Ngai ndobete mundu me no uguo tu amo bire arute wira